Oh! Much more relaxed now. Relieved from the pain. I can say 80 to 90%.
It's working.
Yes.
Hi, Dr. Sandeep from Marmaveda. Now there is Jonita from Bombay. Jonita, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आपको?
I'm a gym goer person. I'm from Bombay, basically from Bombay.
Okay.
So while lifting my weight in gym, I'm a gym person. So while lifting my weight on the gym, so I got a cramp or something. Extreme pain was there. From 2 months, I'm going through a pain which is unbearable. I can't bend as well as I can't turn properly while sleeping.
Okay.
So I was been recommended by one of my friend from Nashik. She's Harsali Jadhav. So she told me that you are a good person to go and consult and where I will get relief.
I ask some questions to you.
Yes.
When there is a bending while you are bend,
Yeah.
you have more pain, or when there is an extension, you suffer more pain?
No, while extension, I don't have a pain. While bending, I have a pain.
Okay, while bending?
While turning as well as I face that problem.
Okay. So we study your case study first, okay?
Yeah.
We assess your body anatomically. We perform some orthopedic test on you.
Okay.
My assistant doctor. Then we take a detailed history of you.
Okay.
After that, we go with chiropractic session.
Okay, no worries.
Come here. हैंड लाइट टेबल पे रख दो. बी फोकस.
It's known as Erlakallam. Yes.
That's nice.
It's heaven on earth.
In our clinic, so many Kerala therapists.
Yes, because we prefer natural thing.
Yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. लूज करिए अपन एक लूज छोड़िए. डोंट वरी, ट्रस्ट ऑन मी. यस, लूज. आपका कोई सर्जरी वगैरह नहीं हुआ ना कभी?
नहीं.
वेरी गुड. और एनी डिसीज?
No.
That's good. You are healthy. ये देखो, ये जाम है यहाँ थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
Little bit side bit.
Oh.
Decomper.
Yeah. Oh. हाँ. एक रिलीफ मिला है मुझे.
1, 2, 3. This is more posterior. Come on my side. At the level of L5S1. Relax. Come towards me. Yes. Breathe out. Distract.
Oh.
Perfect.
Yeah.
एनाटॉमिकल शॉर्ट है, इसमें रॉड है इसलिए थोड़ा शॉर्ट है। आप इसको हील से एडजस्ट नहीं करते?
मतलब
हील पहन के थोड़ा सा
नहीं,
थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट है, आपको थोड़ा पता चलता है।
हाँ वो जब मैं लिम करती हूँ थोड़ा सा।
क्या एक्सीडेंट हुआ था?
एक्सीडेंट। डन।
नीचे आओ, सीधा relax, relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Breathe out. Okay. Relax, relax. Okay.
Yeah.
Relax. Okay. ऐसे पकड़ो. Breathe out. Is it okay?
Yeah. Much
better?
fine now.
Okay.
Feeling relieved.
Yes. So, Jonita, how are you feel now?
Much more relaxed now. Relieved from the pain. I can say 80 to 90%.
It's working.
Yes. बहुत ही मतलब वो 2 महीने के बाद में जो रिलीफ मिलता है ना, वो वाला रिलीफ मिल रहा है.
Thank you very much. Come visit again and again.
Definitely. I would recommend
suggest-
everyone to come visit him and get that relief.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
much more relaxed now, relieved from the pain. I can say 80 to 90%.
It's working.
Yes,